Sandhills Colony Farms, and here's where they do the truck wash. And it's, I believe, 100 and some feet long, 100 feet. Right there is your stainless steel reflectory burner. We have a burner right here, so it goes right down here against the rubbers, dries everything out. Then we have a fan on the other end, flip-flopped. So we have a fan way down there at the other end. So it goes all the way down. It goes underneath the trucks. And so it's down a little ways, so it goes under the trucks better. And dries and fries everything. And this now is 4 or 5 years old, mint condition. It'll be that way for 100 years. There's no stains. A lot of concrete has humidity stains on it. They did put in a heat exchanger to get a little moisture out quicker. But we have ones like at Copperfield the same way. Many of the colonies have them. And that's what we're looking at. Come in here, in 40 minutes, everything top to floor is absolutely dry. If your truck goes out at 40 below dry, the calipers, don't worry about a busload of kids when you drive out, because you've got the thing all handled here with reflectory the right way.